Luana here. How are you guys doing? And welcome back to TV Cloud channel. And today is a long-awaited factory tour with you guys in terms of introducing the product processes of G2, so you guys will have a better idea about it. And first things first, let's head over to our intelligent factory so we will know something about GB Cloud. Let's get into it. First thing first, let's change our protective suit in order to enter the clean laboratory. Suit is on, let's enter the clean laboratory, let's go!
Before the laser installation, the laser power should be detected by the laser meter detector, and the output power of all lasers should be 20 wattage.
Now we reach to the assembling station, where all the machines are complete in one. Our staff will complete each step by following the instruction. What's next is debugging process, as you can see right here.
Laser to the galvan monitor center. Bright light positioning. Focus lens. Whether the engraved square is 110 plus 110 with ununiform lines. Laser light does not leak. Machines burn test for 48 hours.
The following part is a testing station, whereas to avoid any potential risks, to help to improve users' working experience.
The laser heads need to be parallel checked. The laser head, exhaust fan, protective shield, power supply, laser signal line, and a rotary interface pair after connection without shaking ensure steady operation check. The reset function is perfect. Press the reset button and the bright light flashes. After the reset, the light is on, check. Adjust the position of the self-locking block of the proximity switch magnet. The proximity switch works fine, and adjust the self-locking block of the proximity switch magnet to the side with the magnet after the test. Check. The protective shield works fine, with no odd noise, and the protective shield does not block laser lights. When the shield is aligned horizontally with the working area, the focal length between the fixed base and the bottom of the laser head is 211 mm. Check. The focal length is 211 mm and two bright lights coincide at the same point. When marking, one red LED does not move and the other red LED moves along with the laser beam. Check. Metal samples are marked clearly and the depth is the same around 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 square metal samples, with each side length error less than or equal to 0.5. Check. Vivid marking image. Check. After testing, test the roundness of the circle with the flash tester.
Finally, all the G2 are ready to go, and before that, let's pack as much happiness into the package.
The machine needs to be cleaned with alcohol and other cleaning chemicals. All packages are shock-proof, drop-proof, pressure-proof, and most importantly, recycle and environmentally friendly.
And that's all of our tour factory today. And make sure you like this video and share with somebody you like. I guess we'll see you next time.